Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start in Settings, so open Wallpaper now and locate the image you want removed. You need Photos and iCloud access. Make sure iCloud Photos is toggled the way you intend. If this image came from an album, note the album name, it matters. Tap the current wallpaper preview to see options, because Apple groups lock and home images separately. Once you see the preview, pick which one to remove, lock, home, or both, and prepare to take action immediately. You now remove the image itself. Tap Edit or Remove on the preview. When Remove appears, confirm to clear that slot. If you prefer replacing, choose a new wallpaper and pick from Photos, Dynamic, or Stills. If the photo is synced from iCloud, go to Photos and either delete it or move it out of the synced album, because wallpaper reflects your library. Make sure to check both Lock and Home after replacing so you don't leave one unchanged. You finish by verifying both lock and home screens. Press the side button and unlock to inspect. If the wallpaper persists, restart your iPhone and check again, because caches sometimes stick. Make sure you're signed into the correct iCloud account. Sign out and sign back in if sync caused the issue. If a corporate or configuration profile enforces wallpaper, remove that profile in Settings, General VPN, and Device Management. That solves most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.